Hi everybody, welcome to my class. Our today's lesson is on past perfect continuous tense. It's very easy to understand this tense if we first define the words past perfect and continuous. Okay, past perfect continuous tense has the word past perfect, right? And the word continuous. And you know what is past perfect tense? Past perfect tense refers an earlier past action or an action which happened and past action which happened before another past action, right? And you know what does it mean continuous? Continuous means something that is continuing. So past perfect continuous tense refers an ongoing earlier past action, right? So to make it clear, see the timeline here. This is the timeline of past perfect continuous tense, okay? And you are familiar with this timeline, right? Because you have seen it in my previous video of past perfect tense. But this is for past perfect continuous tense, right? So here I will make a little bit of change, okay? Now see, the time is 10 o'clock. And you know it refers present time, right? And before 10 o'clock the time was 9 o'clock, so it refers past time. And before this past time, before 9 o'clock the time was 8 o'clock, so it refers earlier past time, right? And you know that an action which started or which happened at earlier past time, that's called earlier past action, right? And an earlier past action which happened before another past action happened, that is past perfect tense, right? You have learned it in my previous video of past perfect tense. Now see, continuous word is also here, and continuous means something that is continuing or going on. So past perfect continuous tense refers such an earlier past action which had been continuing to another point of past time, okay? Or past perfect continuous tense refers an earlier past action which had been continuing until another past action happened. Clear? Now see the definition here. This tense denotes an ongoing past action which happened before a certain point in the past. Okay, that means see here, an earlier past action which happened before another certain point in the past. Okay, that means an earlier past time the action happened. Okay, and continued up to that point of past time. And here I have said you that the earlier past action had been continuing to another point of past time, okay, or until another past action happened. So this is past perfect continuous tense. For example, I had been studying in the library before I came to the class. You can see here that two actions are here, and before I came to the class this action happened, right? I had been studying in the library before I came to the class. So this is the earlier past action which happened before another past action happened, and this earlier past action had been continuing, okay, because I had been studying in the library, okay. And so for an ongoing earlier past action, here I used past perfect continuous tense. And you know that for another or for later past action which happened later, by rule a simple past tense is used, okay. Now see the structure. For past perfect continuous tense, always use had been as helping verb no matter what the subject is, and then main verb with ing, okay. So the structure is subject plus had been plus main verb with ing plus object. See here as helping verb I used had been as helping verb, and then main verb study with ing, okay. So this is the past perfect continuous tense and the structure of this tense. Now let's look at some more examples of past perfect tense and the different ways of using this tense, okay. So see the first one, I had been waiting for the bus for 2 hours before it arrived. Okay, so you can see here that two actions are here, right? I had been waiting for the bus for 2 hours before it arrived. Before the bus arrived, what had I been doing? I had been waiting for the bus for 2 hours, right? So this is the ongoing earlier past action which had been continuing before another past action happened. Clear? So for this ongoing earlier past action, here I have used past perfect continuous tense, right? See, here as helping verb I used had been and then wait plus ing, that is the continuous form, main verb with ing. And here I used for 2 hours, because for perfect tense to express period of time we use for, and to express point of time we use since. Okay, so here 2 hours indicates that it's a period of time, so here I have used for. Clear? Now see the next one. I had been working at the company for 5 years when I got the promotion. Okay, this sentence is very similar to the first sentence, but here I use when as a linker. Okay, though I use here when as a linker, but when is used here in the sense of before. Okay, when I got the promotion, I had been working at the company for 5 years. It means that before I got the promotion, I had been working at the company for 5 years. This action happened first. Okay, when as a linker is used for perfect tense, it means before. Okay, in the sense of before when is used for perfect tense. Okay, so when I got the promotion, I had been working at the company for 5 years. This sentence means that I got the promotion later, but before I had been working at the company for 5 years. So this is the ongoing earlier past action, and by rule here also I used past perfect continuous tense. And see that for 5 years I had been working. Okay, and so 5 years also indicates it's a period of time, so here I use for. Clear? See the next usage. The children had been playing, so the room was a mess. See, this sentence is a little different from the two others. Okay, because here the linker so creates a cause-effect situation. The children had been playing, so the room was a mess. The room was a mess. Why? Because the children had been playing. Okay, so this is the cause and this is the result. Okay, and this is also an ongoing earlier past action because it happened first. Okay, and then the result was happened. Clear? So to express cause in the past, you can use past perfect continuous tense. Now see the last example. Rehan was tired because he had been walking. Okay, this sentence is similar to the this above. Okay, Rehan was tired because he had been walking. Why? Rehan was tired because he had been walking. So this is the cause. And to express cause in the past, here also I used past perfect continuous tense. Clear? So this is the last part of past tense we have discussed today, past perfect continuous tense, and so we have completed our discussion on past tense. My next video will be about future tense. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.